Hi, I'm Darnell Cox with Live Young Lifestyle, and today we're talking red light therapy. So what exactly is red light therapy and how does it work? Well, red and near infrared light penetrates the skin and is proven to have a plethora of health benefits. This technology uses low-level wavelengths that treats everything from wrinkles, skin elasticity, skin tone and texture, scars, stretch marks, cellular damage, and it's even clinically proven to grow hair. There are two things we need to really focus on when we're talking about red light therapy. The first is the wavelength and the second is the power. It needs the right combination of wavelength and power to be effective. You can't just shine a red light on something and call it red light therapy. The next is the surface area that it's covering, right? I've tested a lot of different products over the last couple years, and there are some that work great. They have the right power, they have the right wavelength, but by the time that you treat your entire face or your entire scalp, you're spending an entire day doing it. So the amount of surface area is also important, as well as the comfort. If it's not easy to use and comfortable to wear, it's gonna sit in the drawer. So these four things are super important: the wavelength, the power of the device, the surface area that is covered, and the comfort. So here are my top at-home red light therapy devices that are clinically proven to work. This is the iRestore hair laser. This medical device has a combination of 282 LEDs and lasers to give optimal power. There's nothing on the market like this. And it has a lot of coverage. So it has extended sides and an extended back. So not only it is the most powerful hair laser on the market today, it also has the most coverage, which is super important because if you have like traction alopecia from wearing extensions, I've worn extensions for years, and also if you're having hormonal hair loss, then this is super important to get all of that coverage. Most of the laser caps on the market today are only covering the area for male pattern baldness. Hello. We lose hair everywhere. So as we age, there's an overall thinning of the hair, right? So not only do we lose strands, but each strand that we still have becomes finer. So that's why the coverage is super important, and there is hope. This iRestore laser is FDA cleared and clinically proven to grow hair, longer, stronger, thicker hair. And just from my own personal experience, I test out devices like this all the time. And oftentimes I'll do, when I'm doing skincare, I'll test one side of my face. I tested one side of my head with this laser. And the way that I did it was I took a tissue and I put it over the right side of my scalp and let the laser hit on the left side. You are going to freak out because look at this. All of this is new baby hairs. I hope you can see that. Compared to this side. Look at this side. That's 3 months of the laser. Look, I actually have to, when I'm getting ready, I have to tuck this back in now because the hair growth on this side is incredible compared to the other side. So, I'm not just gonna open a box and tell you guys to buy something. This device really does work. So we have the power, we have the full coverage. Now wait till you see how easy this is to use. It's all cushioned. You wear it just like you would a hat, and it has these extended sides, so we're getting all of that coverage. You charge this separately, clip it on your belt. It's comfortable, it's padded, it has the power, it has the extended area, it's completely portable, right? So you can go about your business. I've walked the dog with this on 25 minutes every other day. This thing really works. And the company stands behind this technology so much that there is a 1-year money-back guarantee. If you don't see hair growth in 1 year, you send this back, free shipping, because they'll pay for the shipping, and they'll completely refund your money. Now that is a company that's really standing behind their technology. This is the iRestore Professional, which is what I've been using. They do have an iRestore Essential, which has fewer LEDs and lasers. But I suggest this one. There will be a link down below. There's a code. I think you get $300 off, but make sure you click in the description below. So this is the iRestore hair laser. Blown away. So the next device, this is the Omnilux Face Contour. Now I have been searching for a red light therapy device for my face for years. Something that, again, right wavelength, right amount of power, comfortable, and the right surface area. So this is the first FDA-cleared silicone flexible face mask. So talk about comfort. Now, I've used other face masks in the past. I want to give you one example. This contraption you've probably seen in another video. I think it was in my favorite at-home anti-aging devices. Luke, I am your father. I need a lower voice. And I did not feature it because it was so painful to use that it actually left dents in my head. So again, you can find something that has the right wavelength and the right power and the right surface area, but it's so uncomfortable that you're not going to end up using it. This, on the other hand, is so easy to use. You charge the controller, again, like the iRestore laser. You can put it in your pocket, and it's completely portable. Now, I don't want to put this on now because I have makeup on, but it's flexible, it's portable. Doesn't leave any marks on your face. They also made one for the neck, which I love. So this straps right around your neck and goes for your décolletage as well. So it's great. 10 minutes, it automatically shuts off, FDA cleared, the right amount of power, the right wavelength, super, super comfortable. So I'm gonna be honest, I use this every day. I'll put this on, I'll lay down, I'll take a nap, but I've also been in the kitchen cooking with this on. So it doesn't hurt your eyes, you can leave your eyes open. Very, very great device. Oh, and they also make one for your hands, which I do not have, which is on my wish list. So it's like a little mitt that you use for your hands because, you know, Joan Rivers always had that saying, you can hide a lot of things, but the hands always give it away. So just like you treat your hands with all the lasers and skincare, you also want to treat it with red light therapy. So again, the Omnilux Contour Face. This company, by the way, is the same company that makes red light therapy devices for dermatology offices. So this is like the real deal here. Love this. There's a link down below, a code. I think you get 10% off. So I've saved the best for last. Talk about full body coverage, right? This is Red Alternative Full Body Panel. I'll just turn this on for a second. So you can see that it covers a lot of your body, and it's adjustable and door mounted. This machine I love. I use it every single day. I stand in front of it for 5 minutes and kind of turn and turn. I do the whole 360 with this machine because it's very, very powerful and the health benefits are enormous. But if you've looked into these panels before and you've read into some of the sciencey part about it, you'll hear the term joules a lot. And I just want to briefly explain that without getting too sciencey, what that means. So that's the energy and the wavelength that is hitting your cells, penetrating your skin, hitting your cells, and it's actually hitting your mitochondria and having your ATP produce more oxygen, which then creates an anti-inflammatory effect. And that's why the red light therapy has so many health benefits. It produces collagen and elastin, which reduces wrinkles and tightens the skin. It reduces skin swelling to treat rosacea and eczema. It aids in wound healing and even helps reduce cellulite. It reduces joint pain, muscle soreness, inflammation, and even increases circulation. There's a big impact on cellular energy as well, so it boosts your metabolism. More oxygen also goes into the brain to improve mental sharpness and reduce fatigue. It helps healthy hormone production. It decreases inflammation in the thyroid to improve thyroid health. It increases the production of testosterone delivers more oxygen to the brain to help balance serotonin levels, which decreases depression and reduces anxiety, and it even helps improve sleep by increasing melatonin production. So as you can tell, the health benefits are so far-reaching. So that's it. That is the long-awaited red light therapy video. I know it's taken me a while, I apologize, but this is your health. And there's a lot of science behind this, so I wanted to make sure that I gave you my absolute top choices. Again, all of that information's down below. If you like these videos, please subscribe, please share with your friends, hit that little alarm so that you're alerted every time a video drops. Using the power of light to stimulate collagen, regrow hair, and improve your overall health, now that is a really good way to live young.